How to fix WhatsApp multiple accounts feature not showing. If any day any of you are a WhatsApp user and you're not seeing the multiple account feature on your WhatsApp and you're quite frustrated, do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to find the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device and then tap on that. After that, you can go to the I like option there and then go to the option of notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to enable allow the notification and allow sound and vibration. Again, you have to tap on permission and allow permission to call, logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos and videos, and SMS. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of set as default. Here you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, now you can tap on the option of storage. If you see any of the cache out there, you can clear down the cache and then go back again. Now you can tap on app details and store, and after that, if you face a problem once again, you can send the very email by tapping on the email to the developer there, and your developer will be contacted and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.